Now, students using the Windows or Mac version of ClassroomGo can access our latest interactive whiteboard feature, making teaching more flexible and dynamic for teachers. Let's take a look together. After the teacher logs into ClassroomGo, they can click the Interactive Whiteboard button on the left. The system will then display the Settings panel. After setting the student's editing permissions and selecting who to share with, simply click Create at the bottom to start. ClassroomGo will then open the interactive whiteboard on the student's side based on the teacher's settings. Whether it's for teaching demonstrations or group collaboration among students, the latest interactive whiteboard feature in ClassroomGo is designed to meet teachers' needs. In addition to supporting handwriting and a variety of drawing tools, the whiteboard also allows image insertion. At the same time, teachers can use ClassroomGo's monitoring feature to keep track of whether students are staying focused during the lesson. When the teacher clicks the End button at the bottom right, ClassroomGo will export the whiteboard content as an image file and save it on the student's device. Teachers, give it a try today.